Hello fam, let's bake and package wheat pie. Yes, so I have these wheat pie orders and I have to wake up very early to bake them. And what I did to save time was to do everything and keep them in the freezer. So I woke up very early to take them out of the freezer and bake them. So this is purely wheat. Now this customer said, please use margarine for me. Usually my customers, they request for coconut oil instead of margarine. Yes, so if you call, what you want is what I will do for you. So this is it, our pie, baked, fresh, soft and tasty. And so let's package it. This order went to Accra, that is Bema Camp. Yes, so let's package the order. So when you call me, I will also do it for you. When it comes to pie, I don't take 1, 2 or 3 orders. The minimum order is 10. Yes, the minimum order is 10. So this is it. Let's package it very well. Yes, so the customer also requested for wheat and oat cookies, and that's what I am packaging also for my customer. I have different types of cookies, oat banana cookies with seeds, different kinds of seeds, and then I have wheat and oat cookies as you see. So just contact me, any kind of wheat bread you want, I will make it for you. And our wheat bread is not like the usual wheat bread you see in the market. Our wheat bread is pure whole wheat. Yes, so let me package it. I'm in Winneba, so if you want some, just contact me. Okay, we deliver within Ghana. Yes, nationwide. Yes, so call and let's know how we can send yours to you. Okay, if you are in Accra, it's either you pick it at Kaneshie or my rider will pick it at Kaneshie and then bring it to you. If you're at Kumasi, you pick it at Asafo Market. If you're at Cape Coast or Takrady, you pick it at the station, or you arrange with a driver where you want to pick it. If you are in Winneba, you can come and pick it from my house, okay, or a rider will bring it to you. So this is it. This is going to Accra and my rider in Accra will pick it. So after adding the customer's details, this is what I do. I cover the package with a black poly bag and then I'll attach the rider's details on it. So the rider will go for it, take the poly bag from it and then deliver. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.